All right. Hopefully you enjoyed your article that you just read, and then you learned a little bit more information that might help you answer those questions and with the claims that we had talked about in a previous section. I want to go over a few key things from this article. One is a new type of rock that you read about called metamorphic rock. This is formed when heat or pressure deep underground changes existing rock. So either an igneous or a sedimentary rock can be changed into a metamorphic rock. To help you remember that, think of the word metamorphosis that you've probably heard before that means to change. That's exactly what happens with any type of rock. If it's exposed to enough heat or pressure within the Earth's interior, it can actually change into a different type of rock called metamorphosis. How does that happen, you ask? You should have also been introduced to this word subduction. Ooh, before I go over that, please make sure that you are adding this into your science notebook. It should go on page, let me check real quick here. You'll be able to see these slides in just a minute. Page 13. So this will be a term that you're going to want to pause this video and add that into your science notebook on page 13. Then, how metamorphic rock gets that heat and pressure is through this term called subduction. That was a new term, and you're going to want to pause and add this onto page 14 of your science notebook. Subduction is the process by which rock material moves under the Earth's outer layer and into the mantle due to plate motion. So that's how rock gets moved into the Earth's interior due to those different plate motions that we're talking about in that first unit that we studied in science this year. Now there's a direct opposite process, and you're going to want to pause and add this term onto page 15 of your science notebook. The opposite process of subduction is uplift. This is the process by which all rock formations of a region are pushed up due to plate motion. So in essence, this rock is moving upwards because that other plate is subducting underneath it. They go hand in hand. This is how rock will end up then moving from the interior of the Earth up to the surface and then can be exposed to those elements like the sun, which causes weathering and erosion. And then on page 16 of your science notebook, you're going to want to pause and add in key concepts from chapter 3. So you'll have 3 key concepts pages in your notebook. This is the third one for chapter 3. Not only does plate motion move rock formations, but subduction moves rock down below Earth's outer layer, and then uplift moves rock upwards towards Earth's surface. Hopefully all of that information can help you try and answer this question: where do the magma and sediment that form the rock of the Great Plains and Rocky Mountains come from? And we can kind of grapple with those 2 claims again to try and figure that out. Once your science notebook is updated, you'll have some questions that you need to answer in this section, and then you can move on to your exit ticket, and you'll be done with science for the day.